Hey guys! Welcome to Raahim UTech. Today we'll learn how to make a basic table in Visual Studio Code. First we have to type table tag. Now, we have to type table row tag. Now, we have to type table heading tag. Now, let's put some data inside the table. First, we have to type the table row tag. Then, we need to type table data tag. Our table is complete. Let's add some CSS to the table. Let's see how our table looks. Subscribe Raahim UTech for more videos like this.